Sup everyone, it's Biggs. Now, I'm sitting in my van. I'm sitting outside of Westjet Cargo, awaiting a shipment. Wonder what it is. Maybe it's bitey, maybe it's scaly, maybe it's wet. Don't really know. Guess you guys are gonna have to find out. But it's New Critter Day. Pretty excited when it's New Critter Day. Hope you guys are too. We're gonna get it home, gonna unbox it, see what we got. Let's go. Ooh, I wonder what it could be. Nice giant box of live animals. That's always a good thing. Now we're only about an hour and a half from home before we're going to be able to even open it up and take a peek. All right, I guess it's time to get into it. Before we do that, I got to do a shout out. Now, my good friend Grant Crossman over at Port Credit Pets National Reptile Supply, he's a very, very well-known, very, very well-respected reptile dealer right across the country. This is the guy that's responsible for every one of these giant reptile shows. This guy is over the top incredible for the industry. Him and one of his employees, Erica, were able to help me out and get me some absolute treasure for that room right there. So we're not sure what's going to be in here yet, but let's get into it. Got my trusted shiv. I haven't even opened it. All I've done is I took the main shipping label off, so it didn't have anybody's personal information and stuff like that. But other than that, it hasn't even been opened yet. So we're going to do this all live and see what happens. Could be good, could be bad. Don't really know. But I didn't cut myself, so that's a good start. I always love when I open up, reptiles and bitey things and stuff like that. Always open them up right at face level. It's always a good tip. All right. Okay, this was shipped. So right now in Canada, shipping-wise is really, really challenging. So these guys actually dropped this off at the airport in Toronto late last night. And then it was the only direct flight into Winnipeg, which for me is the closest city. It's about for me to get to the Winnipeg airport, it's about an hour and a half. And that was the closest airport. And I was there waiting this morning. It was the only direct flight. We tried shipping it on Monday. It would have had to go from Toronto all the way to Calgary, way across the other side of the country, and then it would have come back the next day, and it would have arrived, and that's what we were originally planning on doing, but we got hit with a massive snowstorm. We were plus 20 the weekend before outside doing fencing and stuff, enjoying the weather. Spring's finally here, and then it dropped down, and then we had this massive storm. We got dumped on by almost a foot of snow. So I'll show you guys what it looked like for that. It's good times. But now, so we had to delay it, and then we pushed it to Friday. And on Friday, being today, we were able to get it without any issue whatsoever on the one direct flight a week. All right, so let's see what we got here. This one only says whip. That's a good sign. These ones, some of you may know what they are. Looks like one in there. Two in there. I kind of know what these guys are. Maybe we'll know what that one is by the name or the furry butt. Another little one of these guys. It's a big box, just saying. Stay with me. What else is he sending me? Well. Harpactira, pull crepes, a little inch and a half, and we believe this one to be a boy. And this one is a large female. And another one of these. So that is 4 of those, or correct me wrong, 5 of those. This one here is a beautiful Brazilian blue. The box seems to be endless. Oh, this one's going to be an absolute treasure. So people know that this is a New World one. This is a Brachypelma, an outstanding specimen. I don't even know what this is, but it's ouchy. So I guess it fits the trip, fits the plan of the whole thing. What am I supposed to do with that? Crazy. And of course, I got 2 of them. Don't even know. All right. And these ones I do remember ordering. Some nice little Nepenthes. I absolutely love Nepenthes pitcher plants. And the fact that I can get nice little small ones is awesome, because we're going to be doing a nice big vivarium update. We're going to tear apart the beast. And I also have that other mini beast that's directly below it, the 2-footer. And you can't see it, but over there on the ground behind me, there's a giant piece of Malaysian driftwood. And I got all sorts of cool viney type stuff. We're going to do something really cool. It's going to be predominantly all Nepenthes and then other ground covers and stuff. And then I also got a couple of different club mosses and stuff. Salignelia crossiana, water daily, lots of light. Yeah, good. Beautiful little ground cover plant. And true to form, I got 2 of those as well. So, nothing's loose. That's always a good sign. I didn't get any other critters. But, wow. You guys outdid yourself today, didn't you? You sent Biggs the treasures. So we got some really cool plants. Some really cool plants. Some really ouchy plants without labels. 1, 2, 3, 4 outstanding confirmed female outstanding species of tarantulas. These are going to be absolutely breathtaking species, if that's a thing we could say. I think it's a thing we could say. And then we've got a beautiful little suitor for that pulchripes. And then we have, now this one here says whip on it. I know exactly what this one is, but this one we're going to hold back, and we're going to nose this one differently, because this one has a unique little story to go with it too. And you guys might have seen my video of my new creepy crawlies. Some of those creepy crawlies have been in the house for quite some time. It was just that time I should slowly start unveiling them. And this one's going to try and too with some of those. And it's actually something really cool and unique. So we'll get to that one after.